dreams fantastic. Going transatlantic. This is so surreal.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's your girl Angela, aka Southern Comfort Glam. What's up, my glamettes? I hope you guys are having a wonderful and blessed Friday today. I just want to come to you guys and record this look. It was just something crazy and colorful. I'm going to show you guys my inspiration for it. This is a picture that I found on Google a while back, and I was like, man, that's some gorgeous freaking makeup. I know I didn't stick to like the same standards as her because I like to throw my own twist on it, but I do love the inspiration. I do get a lot of inspiration from other artists and things of that sort, and I think that's how the cycle just keeps going on and on as far as makeup goes. Oh yeah, you guys, countdown. Y'all only gonna see these for maybe like 2 more weeks, and then I got a new hairstyle coming, and I broke a nail. It's actually really broken all the way down to the, it's kind of like a story time. I tripped and fell down the steps yesterday. My left butt cheek is still hurting, and yeah, my nail bent all the way back, so it's hanging on a little bit. I just don't have the heart to dip it in acetone and soak it off yet. But yeah, so I had to cancel my nail appointment and whatnot because actually the stupid thing was bleeding. But anyway, bump that nail. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then you know what you got to do. Yeah, stay tuned.
Dreams fantastic, going transatlantic. This is so surreal, made it feel like plastic. Tell 'em I got the magic, got the magic. It's fantastic, going Atlantic. It's surreal, feel so plastic. Got the magic, transatlantic. How I feel. See a chance, I grab it. Cool boy when you rapping. Told you it's a habit. You was there laughing. Teeth gold, no grills on. Oh, I sip too much tea. New song by the way. All of them is for free, and I treat them like a throwaway. Let them leak like open vein. Talking shit, what you hope to gain. Now I'm to it like Novocaine. KBBA better know the name. Don't care what you say, huh? I'll be on my next day job. My views finna take off. Love the city at nighttime. King of night, better get it right. Going ratchet on stage, fans share to my page. You can say I make waves, do this every day. I've been having dreams fantastic, going transatlantic. This is so surreal, made it feel like plastic. Tell 'em I got the magic, got the magic. It's fantastic, going Atlantic. It's surreal, feel so plastic, got the magic, transatlantic. How I feel, I don't know how I keep stressing. Still I'm going reckless. Hold up, where was you minute to go? I chew, I got a sickening flow. I just get up and I go, know where my future is at. Now I got incoming phones, I knew it right or the bad. I do not need you to help me, doing what God tells me. I'ma make it by my own, and I ain't talking about a selfie, no. Love the city at nighttime. King of night, better get it right. Going ratchet on stage, fans share to my page. You can say I make waves, do this every day. I've been having dreams fantastic, going transatlantic. This is so surreal, man, it feel like plastic. Tell 'em I got the magic, got the magic. It's fantastic, going Atlantic. It's surreal,
fucking flex.
I've been in it too long, but never mind, I got nowhere to go. So take it, just take it all, but don't you try to take what's mine. Just take it all, but don't you take what's mine. Baby, I've been starved of love. Maybe I just think too much. An object on your nightstand is something I've become. I used to be your right hand, now it's like I'm dead and gone. I don't wanna know, no, I don't wanna know what you're doing out of sight, but girl, I gotta know. Yeah, I'm tired of the chasing, switching between you and me. Can you release me of your spell so I can breathe again and flee? I've been in it too long, but never mind, I got nowhere to go. So take it, just take it all, but don't you try to take what's mine. Just take it all, but don't you take what's mine. I've been in it too long, but never mind, I got nowhere to go. So take it, just take it all, but don't you try to take what's mine. Just take it all, but don't you take what's mine.
It's 2 a.m. now. I'm sitting there thinking of you. Since I met you, everything has changed. My life, it's not the same. Limit conversations with my brain. Could have been love, something too strange. With you, I'm flying away. How you make me forget all my pain. Is it gonna be?
the fucking flex.
I've been in it too long, but never mind, I got nowhere to go. So take it, just take it all, but don't you try to take what's mine. Just take it all, but don't you take what's mine. Baby, I've been starved of love. Maybe I just think too much. An object on your nightstand is something I've become. I used to be your right hand, now it's like I'm dead and gone. I don't wanna know, no, I don't wanna know what you're doing out of sight, but girl, I gotta know. Yeah, I'm tired of the chasing, switching between you and me. Can you release me of your spell so I can breathe again and flee? I've been in it too long.
Alright, you guys, so here's my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy, colorful look that I brought to you guys today. Also, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out my fall series or just other videos. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
You take what's mine. I've been in it too